One. You were liable to be. It's going. I'm going to introduce you to Andrew, who has been with us 3 months. Yeah. 3 months today. So this is Andrew. He's come in to kind of help manage the shop and the operations, helping me hopefully get a little bit more time to do stuff like this. So we're down here. We have our two stands. This one is on the ROPS mount, or the equivalent of being mounted with the ROPS. So it's got two of the ROPS U-bolts, and this one has got the loader U-bolt. This is the Toolbox carrier. This is the Milwaukee Packout carrier. The overall design down here where it bolts on is the same on both products. The difference is one's just a little bit longer and wider out this way, and then has a different cut pattern in the center. But the back is the same. So we were figuring if we did one test, one with the ROPS, one with the loader, that'll pretty much show us what we need to know. So we'll probably, I don't know, what one do you think we'll start off with?
Start with the loader.
Start with the loader?
Yeah.
All right. So we'll start with the loader.
Actually, why don't we start? Sorry, we should have done that one first because it's. Are you going to take it out of frame?
Well, we're going to move one out of frame eventually.
Okay. We'll cut this out.
We're not cutting this out. We're going to roll it.
Whatever.
All right. So, loader first. So the Milwaukee Packout with the loader. Okay. One back. Make sure that we're not on the tubing. Okay, so there's two. You are going real fast over here, my guy. Is that leaning at all?
It's got 240 pounds on it. It's liable to be.
I'm going to stack back this way because I feel like it's going to want to tip. It definitely wants to tip. So where are we going wrong? So that U-bolt isn't all that tight, and the top is coming off. All right. I say continue. We'll have to bring our stack back though. How's it doing?
Holding strong.
Man. Do you think the ROPS will be stronger or weaker? I think about the same.
Oh, you got two bolts versus one.
Smaller,
but they're smaller.
Smaller diameter. Our tower's just getting a little unstable. There we go.
Is that 10?
Problem is the balance of this tower. What are we at there? Ooh. Okay. Do we call it when the tower doesn't balance or when something breaks?
That's 12.
I'll hold it, see if we can get another one on there. And hopefully it doesn't just snap and fall directly on me. Can you get another one up there? So this is first time testing for us too, so we're not really sure what's going to happen. This guy. I think we might have to call it there. It just,
oh. 14 bags.
Can you do some quick math there?
840 pounds.
Okay. I'll trust your math over the math I would do on the spot. That's ridiculous.
Not too bad. For
I
11.
think you're going to be okay for
11 gauge steel and 1/2 inch U-bolt.
Yeah. And that's another reason that, well, that's the reason that we don't send 2 U-bolts to the loader mount.
Right.
Occasionally I have people ask and like, oh, I really feel like it should have another one. Like, I don't know if this is going to be strong enough. It is.
Let's see you put 840 pounds in a Milwaukee box.
Yeah, I don't know if the boxes are rated for that. They're strong.
Yeah.
All right, let's tear all this down.
Yeah, well, my feet are over here. Well, it's only got 600 pounds on it now, so that's not so bad.
Yeah, it's not yours right now. I agree.
That fucking mount is manual, I can tell you that.
The mount is?
The bracket.
Oh,
The slots are pulled out and shit.
Yeah, not what we built.
Oh, no, the tube is.
Did you get this?
If that piece of tubing is
wasn't
1/2
doing
inch
that
plate,
before.
let's go, then I'm never welding another
You're
thing in my
recording
life. Of course, Mike welded that one, but.
All right, we're back on. Mike, I'm probably going to have you come into that camera and get a little bit closer look at this thing. We'll see where the damage was.
What a guy, coming for the win in the last bag.
So it looks like the U-bolt was just pulling here. That angle still looks good. It got loose. But overall, the bracket's still in really good shape. All good here. Yeah, the U-bolt's bent just from tightening. And then probably also stretched a little. Nice, that's not too bad at all. We need to go to 1,000?
1,000-pound test.
Yeah. I think we try the ROPS version.
Yep.
I almost feel like the ROPS is going to do better.
You think 2 3/8 U-bolts are going to offset 1/2 inch?
I think that because the hole for the 3/8 U-bolt is closer to the edge of the material, that it's going to have more strength. But then again, we also have these slots that are right next to it, so that might counteract that. I mean, it's going to hold whatever you can put in the toolbox without a doubt. But I don't know if it's going to top 840 pounds. All right.
You want to check to make sure that one's tight before we...
This one, I remember tightening it. Yep, this one's tight. Okay, so concrete on, but not on there. Yeah, cut me a little.
You leaking?
I'm leaking just a little. I mean, that's a plastic toolbox that's mounted to this. Like, that's an absurd amount of weight to even require.
There's 10.
At this point, we got to try to beat the other one. This one seems more stable. That's holding up better. All right, you stabilize, I'll stack some more on top. At this point, I just really got to know.
It's going. It's going.
Well,
that would have been 15.
That would have been 15. Bag down.
Well, folks, that'll show that's real concrete, not bags full of pellets.
It is not bags full of plastic pellets. That's for sure. I can tell you that much when 3 come off there and hit me in the shoulder. Dude, this thing is great. That hasn't started to flex at all. Damn. That's ridiculous. I did not expect that to hold up that much better.
Yeah.
So it's significantly stronger on the ROPS. Or do we think the part had a difference in it? Because the Milwaukee one sticks out a little further, so you get more leverage out.
Minimal. It's manufactured the same way, so it begs to reason it'll hold similar.
It has the same profile
Same
in the
profile.
bottom for attaching, right?